Ever notice that strange hump on top of some airplanes? It's an important system keeping the jet compliant with global communication and safety standards. I'm an aerospace engineer, and that bulge is a SATCOM dome, housing satellite antennas. While it enables in-flight Wi-Fi, it also supports critical systems essential for safe, efficient flight over oceanic or remote regions. Modern domes are often low profile and blended into the fuselage to minimize added drag. But why aren't they on all aircraft? You'll usually see them on long-haul jets like the Boeing 777 or Airbus A350, where SATCOM is required for safety critical communication. However, newer narrow-body and even regional aircraft are increasingly being fitted with SATCOM, not for compliance, but to meet rising demand for in-flight connectivity. So next time you spot that little bump, remember, it's not just for streaming, it's a core part of how your flight stays safe and connected even in the most remote corners of the world.